Yeah. Good evening. This is the Avani Atrium in Bangkok. It's a business hotel. It's slightly out of the central district. You've got a slightly long walk to the centre. It's an 80s property which has been refurbished recently. We're in an executive club room, which was £83, I think, and it would have been 53 without club benefits. It overcompensates for being slightly out of town, and it compensates very well. You get a turn-down service, you get a huge room, comfortable beds, a view depending on which side of the hotel you're staying in, and it's quite dark tonight. You get a view of central Bangkok, but you have to walk across the black bit or get a cab to the centre. It's not really very walkable. Extremely pleasant staff, very competent housekeeping. There happens to be Valentine's Day today, so I suppose we got these pillows. And a well-themed Valentine's Day buffet with lots of heart-shaped treats and so on. So really, on all first impressions, extremely good, and they look after you. And as a business-type hotel, or for 2 or 3 days staying on holiday, it's high quality alternative to the slightly more expensive central Bangkok hotels. Bye for now. Bathroom, neat little refurbishment. Not the most luxurious bathroom in Bangkok by any means, but the shower works well. 2 showers, lots of towels. And very usable and very nice. And incidentally, they got our laundry back to us within 2 hours of sending it today, which is impressive.